Welcome back everybody, Brian here from T-sportline, and I've got a really cool Cybertruck to share with you today. Check this out. I'm going to take you back to the early 80s. You remember a game called Moon Patrol? It was a video game that came out in arcades and on Atari. This customer came to us with a vision of recreating Moon Patrol. So our graphics team created this design from scratch, and this is emulated after Moon Patrol. What's really cool on this is the truck was wrapped red. We didn't actually wrap this truck, it came to us wrapped in red, but we created the custom designed graphics and we installed that. And you can see down here, instead of a moon buggy, we've got a Cybertruck that's floating through here. And that's actually cut through our graphics, so that's his red wrap showing through there. And then we have all these other detail features on it. Really a cool detail on this truck. We were really pleased to get with this customer, take his idea and create the design, print the graphics, install it here, T-sportline Atlanta. We also put a light bar up here. Of course, if you're on Moon Patrol and you got a moon buggy, you need our light bar. You're gonna take a look, we've got custom graphics in the back, he's got the Cybertruck graphic back there, and then he finished it off with the T-sportline center caps. Let us know what you think of this one, guys. Get a comment below. What game do you want to see next emulated on your Cybertruck? All right, if you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we're gonna see you soon in the next one. Thanks, everybody.